Guys, we are finally set to go to Aruku and we are going to leave the room. And okay, the time is 6:40. Our train is 8 o'clock. It is Aruku Valley special train which is available on Saturday and Sunday itself. This journey passes through 40 waterfalls, 52 tunnels, and 20 bridges. You can also travel by road, but that will not give you this satisfaction which you'll get in this train journey. This will remain as your lifetime memory. In your life, you should must visit this beautiful Aruku journey and this Aruku, which is in our Andhra Pradesh. Guys, we have finally reached to Aruku. In this train we have came to Aruku. It's a special train for Saturday and Sunday. Let's go to our hotel room.